Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download and install Ditto Clipboard on Windows in a very simple way. How you can simply download it, just simply open any of your favorite browser, then simply come over into the search option and then simply search for Ditto Clipboard. Here it is. If you click on it for open, here you're going to find out Ditto download into SourceForge. Click on this website. Click on download, and as you can see, your download will start shortly. After taking 5 seconds, here we get the download. Click on the download. Then after complete the download, you can simply click on the folder icon. Click on it 2 times to install it. Click on run. Now we can simply minimize all of our background tab, and there will be a permission. Click yes. Now minimize all of your background tab. Now here you have to select your setup language. I'm going to select English. Click on OK. Next, click on add Windows firewall exception for Ditto port 23443. If you don't want it, you can simply uncheck it, and next, after that it is going to launch Ditto in your computer. Now here we're going to open on screen keyboard, and here what you're going to do, press your control and then press your this key, and here is your Ditto is rightly opened. Press another time, and here is your Ditto is rightly opened. As you can see, whatever you copied, you're going to get it from here. Very simple. So yeah, this is how we can simply download and install Ditto in your computer. Thank you so much for watching. I hope to see you for another videos. Till then, goodbye.